welcome back to the channel. I'm Tamyia, and welcome and thank you to all my new subscribers, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you for always being here and watching my videos. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ivy wallet on chain. Let's go ahead and get into it. So of course we have our box as so, our lovely box, and in our box we have our dust bag, cute dust bag for our Ivy wallet on chain. And then we have all of our documentation. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what our bag looks like. So she is a beauty and she looks as so. And this is the inside. And we have a compartment for our cards. And then we have the middle part right here that zips, and it also snaps closed. I just love how cute this is. You could put it under your arm, and then of course you could put the straps on it. So I do have both straps. I have the chain, and I will show you what that looks like. Give me one moment. It looks as so. So you could carry it like this. You could put it under your arm. I'm not really one to have something like this much up under my arm, but it might work for you. I don't think I would carry it just like this either, depending on where I was going. And this is what it looks like just hanging down. And then of course we have our long strap, and I will put it on so you can see. And you could definitely wear both straps, the strap and the chain, at the same time. So this is what it looks like long, and then you can also shorten her. And basically it has two little snaps on the side, and you can just snap her closed as so. And I like that feature. It definitely gives you options. And then you can carry it like this. You can definitely take the chain off. Again, you can put it under your arm. Having this strap under your arm does give you a little bit more room, a little bit more comfort. And then let me show you what it looks like without the chain on it and just the strap. And this is what it looks like with just the strap like this, and what it looks like with the strap a long way if you wanted to, you know, wear it as a crossbody. I feel like adding the chain with it as a crossbody just like gives it a little bit of, you know, razzle dazzle. So this is probably be how I will wear it, with the chain and the strap. And it's very easy to, you know, put them on and off. So I would probably wear it as so. I like it like this. Do it that way so y'all can see. And then just put it over as so. That's how I think I will wear it. The details of the chain are perfect. And we have our LV on the chain. We have our LV on the strap. And I absolutely love it. I do own the Sarah wallet, the Alma BB, and a billfold that are from Louis Vuitton. And then I recently have this one, and it's just so cute and petite. And I love the fact that you really have several different options by itself, with the chain, with both of them, with the strap, shorten the strap or make the strap long. It just makes it really convenient. And I love how easily this closes and opens. And then the fact that you can put stuff in the middle and still have that zipper part to make sure your items are secure. As I continue to get older, I noticed that I like having bags and purses that can zip, just because I feel like things can so easily fall out. And the fact this has a zipper closure and it also has a snap closure is perfect for me. And I just love how convenient this is, and how it can and how it could go with an outfit that's more dressed down or that's a little bit more dressed up, just simply because it has this chain. This chain just really makes it sparkle, and especially if you have on some gold jewelry or need just like that pop. You don't even have to have a lot of jewelry on, but this right here alone will definitely make your bag pop. It can kind of go from dull to hi, look at me. So I just wanted to show you this Ivy wallet on chain. I think it's so cute. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Go get you one, sis. Okay, thank you so much for watching this Ivy wallet on chain unboxing. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.